Hey, good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, the 22nd. Sorry, I'm getting this video out late. I was having computer issues. It seems to be working better today, but we'll wait and see what. We'll see. Let's go ahead. Let's end up looking at warm-up number 16, the answer. Running through the problem, it says the following numerically ordered sequence of numbers has a mean of 17 and a median of 18. The key thing is you need to understand what median stands for and what mean stands for. So looking at it, median is that middle number. Well, A is definitely not going to be the middle number. Not going to be it. So I know that this is just added garbage that I don't need. And looking at the second one, the mean is adding all the numbers up and dividing by how many numbers are here. Well, I can do that. I can combine my like terms and I can add 7 plus 12 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 20 plus 22 plus 24 plus 25. So when I add all of these up, I do end up with a number of 100, and I'm going to put it up here and hopefully it works. 161. And also, I do need to add A. I don't know what A is, but if I'm adding everything together and finding my mean, I need to add all of this together. And remember, I divide by how many numbers I have. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I would divide this entire thing by 10. That is how I end up finding the mean. Well, I know the mean equals 17 because it tells me that down there. All I have to end up doing now is solving this two-step equation. In order to do that, I would get rid of the 10, so I would multiply this entire side by 10. I would multiply this side by 10. That's going to cancel my 10s out, which leaves me with 161 plus A and equals 170. Now it's just a one-step equation, so all I have to end up doing is minusing the 161 from both sides. And once I've done that, these cross out, A goes down, and it ends up giving me a number of 9. So A in this instant equals 9. Yep, that's how you do a check mark with this high quality pen. So the answer down here is going to end up being 9. A equals 9. All right, same thing like I always end up saying, sending me messages, send me emails, all the stuff. Just a heads up for students that end up having an F or getting an F every Monday, I'm going to be emailing your parents. Every Monday, if you have an F in my class, I'm going to be emailing parents. Good news about this week, you only have to end up watching topic videos. Section 9, watch topics 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I know some students have been having issues with the videos. All I can tell you, reach out to me. Every time a student's reached out to me, I've been, hey, do this now. I'll raise your grade up. Message me back. I am trying to do everything I can to make sure you have a good grade. I have been curving those test yourself assessments. Guys, I can see how long you've been working on it. If you work on a test yourself assessment for 3 minutes and get a 10% F, yeah, of course you did, because you just randomly guessed. It took me, what, 3.5 minutes just to solve this one problem. Okay? Uh, Reach out to me, communicate with me. I don't want to fail anybody. This is actually a really easy term. Uh, I mean, you have 6 total test yourself assessments. In the end, you've already done 3 of them. You only have 3 left because now we're going to do it every 2 weeks. And I'm going to drop your lowest grade. So pretty much you have to do well on 5 of the test yourself assessments. If you do well on 5 of them, you're going to end up getting a good grade in the class. All right? Reach out to me, message me, email me. I know some of you guys don't watch the videos, which is fine. The last one I did, I think I had Winston in the video too. He wanted nothing to do with it, but at least you guys got to see the dog for a little bit. All right, try to enjoy your day. I think it's nice outside, but take care, guys.